So you've learned about the stock market, you understand index funds, you know investing is important, but now you're wondering, how do I actually build my first portfolio? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step portfolio beginners can start with today. An investment portfolio is simply a collection of your investments. Think of it like a team. Each investment plays a role. Some provide growth, some reduce risk, some provide stability. A good portfolio isn't about picking winners, it's about balance. Before investing, ask yourself, why am I investing? Retirement, wealth building, financial freedom, passive income. Your goal determines how much risk you take, how long you invest, what assets you choose. Long-term goals allow more growth-focused portfolios. Asset allocation simply means how you divide your money. A simple beginner allocation could be 70% stocks growth, 20% bond stability, 10% cash or alternative safety. Younger investors often lean more towards stocks because they have time to recover from market drops. Here's a simple beginner portfolio example. Core growth, broad market index fund, international exposure, global or international index fund, stability, bond fund. This structure gives you diversification without complexity. Remember, you don't need 20 investments. A few strong ones are enough, instead of investing everything at once. Invest consistently. Monthly investing builds discipline, reduces timing risk, smooths market volatility. Consistency turns investing into a habit. Over time, your portfolio shifts. If stocks grow faster, they may become a larger percentage than planned. Rebalancing means adjusting back to your target allocation. Usually once or twice per year is enough. Avoid overcomplicating your portfolio, chasing trending assets, constantly changing strategy, checking your portfolio daily. Simple portfolios often outperform complex ones. To build your first portfolio, define your goal, choose your asset allocation, pick diversified investments, invest consistently, rebalance occasionally. That's it. Simple, effective, beginner-friendly. If this helped you understand portfolio building, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing basics explained simply, and comment below. What's your biggest challenge when starting to invest?